Let's play a game. If you had to pick just 5 investments to cover your rent, what would they be? Well, you don't need to guess. I've done the research for you. Rent. It's that one expense that never takes a break. Month after month, it keeps coming, eating up a huge chunk of your paycheck. But today, we'll be taking care of it, once and forever. You might be wondering, what's our plan here? It's the good old passive income, but from monthly dividend stocks. Let me explain. These aren't your ordinary stocks. They pay you every single month, like a paycheck. Except, you don't have to work for it. Now, for this video, we are taking $3,000 as our goal amount for rent. Based on where you live, this might be different, so just keep that in mind. And to keep this video applicable for everyone, we're setting our investment limit down to only $90. Chapter 1. Why monthly dividends? Most stocks pay dividends every 3 months. But what if you could get paid every single month, just like your rent? That's the beauty of monthly dividend stocks. Here's the deal. Companies that make steady profits share a portion of those earnings with investors like you. Instead of waiting 3 months for a payout, monthly dividend stocks send you cash 12 times a year. That means faster cash flow and more flexibility for your budget. But here's where it gets really exciting. When you reinvest those dividends, you unlock the power of compounding. It's like a snowball effect. At first, it's small. But as it rolls, it grows bigger and bigger over time. Of course, not all dividend stocks are the same. The best ones check 3 key boxes. A high dividend yield, so you earn more, dividend growth, so your payments increase over time, and stock price appreciation, so your investment grows in value too. In this video, we're counting down 5 of the best monthly dividend stocks, not just for steady income, but for long-term financial freedom. Chapter 2. Main Street Capital, or Main. Starting off our list at number 5 is Main Street Capital, or Main for short. This company is a business development company, or BDC, which means it provides funding to small and mid-sized businesses in exchange for a slice of their profits. So, what makes Main a standout dividend stock? 3 big reasons: steady income, a strong dividend track record, and long-term growth potential. Right now, it offers a solid 7.2% dividend yield. That means for every $100 you invest, you'll earn $7.20 in dividends each year. On top of that, Main has been growing its dividend by 3.86% annually. So your payouts keep getting bigger over time. Let's break it down with some numbers. If you invest $90 per week and reinvest your dividends, after 10 years, your portfolio could grow to $81,500, paying you around $363 per month in dividends. Stick with it for 20 years, and that number skyrockets to $313,200, generating a whopping $1,200 per month. Sounds pretty good, right? But here's the thing. It takes about 30 years to hit that $3,000 per month mark. That's why Main is a solid pick, but not the quickest path to your goal. Our 4th pick gets there a little faster. Chapter 3. Realty Income, or O. Taking the number 4 spot is Realty Income, also known as the Monthly Dividend Company. And trust me, it's not just a catchy name. This stock has been paying investors every single month for decades. Realty Income is a real estate investment trust, or REIT, which means it earns money by renting out properties to big-name businesses like Walgreens, 7-Eleven, and Dollar General. Thanks to long-term leases, Realty Income enjoys a steady and predictable cash flow, and that translates to reliable monthly dividends for you. Here's why it's a favorite among investors. A 5.95% dividend yield, 3.9% dividend growth, and 3.2% share price appreciation. It's a perfect blend of income and long-term growth. Now let's crunch the numbers. If you invest $90 per week, by year 10, you'd have $72,500, earning $327 per month. Fast forward to year 20, and your portfolio would grow to $258,500, paying you around $1,150 per month. And in 28 years, you'd hit $3,319 per month, enough to cover rent and then some. It's a strong, stable choice. But let's keep moving. Number 3 is where things really start to pick up speed. Chapter 4. Wisdom Tree U.S. High Dividend Fund, or DHS. Coming in at number 3 is the Wisdom Tree U.S. High Dividend Fund, or DHS. Unlike individual stocks, DHS is an ETF, which means it holds a basket of high dividend-paying companies. The big advantage here? Built-in diversification. So you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. DHS is a top choice for income investors because it focuses on large, stable U.S. companies with strong dividend track records. It offers a 3.67 dividend yield, paired with an impressive 6.66% dividend growth rate, which means your income grows steadily over time. Now, let's crunch the numbers. With a $90 per week investment, by year 10, your portfolio would grow to $64,800, generating about $252 per month in dividends. By year 20, that number jumps to $229,100, paying you around $1,499 per month. And by year 25, your portfolio would reach $429,500, finally hitting $3,248 per month. 3 years faster than realty income. DHS is a fantastic choice if you're looking for consistent payouts plus long-term growth. But if you're after even faster results, you're going to love our number 2 pick. Let's dive in. Chapter number 5. Sabine Royalty Trust, or SBR. Taking the number 2 spot is Sabine Royalty Trust, or SBR. This one's a bit different from the others because it doesn't own businesses or properties. Instead, it collects royalties from oil, gas, and mineral production. Every time a company drills and sells resources from SBR's land, investors get a piece of the action. Why is this so great? Unlike traditional energy companies, SBR doesn't have to worry about operating costs. It just takes a cut of the profits. That makes it a stable and high-yield income investment. SBR offers a 4.16 dividend yield and an impressive 8.13% dividend growth rate, meaning your income grows quickly. It also has a 4.1% average share price appreciation, so your investment grows over time too. Let's look at the numbers. With a $90 per week investment, by year 10, your portfolio would grow to $72,500, generating $366 per month. By year 20, it would reach $297,900, paying about $1,900 per month. And by year 23, you'd hit $3,253 per month. That's 7 years faster than our first stock, Maine. SBR is a powerhouse for income, but our number 1 pick gets you to your rent-paying goal even quicker. Let's see what it is. Chapter 6. First Trust Buy Right Income ETF, or FTHI. And now, the fastest rent-paying dividend stock on our list, First Trust Buy Right Income ETF, or FTHI. This one stands out because it doesn't just rely on dividends. It also uses a covered call strategy to generate extra income. Here's how it works. FTHI holds a portfolio of high-quality stocks and sells call options on them. This creates an additional income stream, boosting its dividend yield. The result? An impressive 8.85% dividend yield, one of the highest on this list. FTHI also boasts a 9.43% dividend growth rate, meaning payouts grow quickly. However, it has a lower share price appreciation of 1.21%, since it focuses more on income than growth. Now, let's see the numbers. With a $90 per week investment, by year 10, your portfolio would be worth $95,500, paying $1,115 per month. By year 14, it would hit $240,600, generating an incredible $3,735 per month, more than enough to cover rent in half the time it took our first pick. But wait, does that mean you should invest everything into one stock? Chapter 7. Should you go all in? With FTHI hitting the $3,000 per month rent goal faster than the others, it might seem like the only stock you'll need. But the short answer? No. High-yield stocks like FTHI often come with higher risks, and your income could take a hit if market conditions shift. The smarter move? Diversification. By spreading your investments across a mix of these 5 stocks, you balance risk while still growing your income. A diversified portfolio that includes these stocks can reach $3,000 per month in 21 years, faster than most single stocks, but far safer. This approach gives you steady growth, stability, and long-term financial security. Chapter 8. Conclusion. Building a $3,000 per month passive income is possible with consistency. By investing $90 per week into these 5 monthly dividend stocks, you can cover your rent and achieve financial freedom. Start today, reinvest your dividends, and watch your income grow. Which stock caught your eye? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more ways to grow your wealth.